Hey everybody, welcome back. It's time for another exciting week to look at the Dollar General weekly ad and see what the deals are for the dates of March 15th through March 21st as we finally head into spring. You can score some game day deals when you buy one DiGiorno Rising Crust pizza and you can get one free Pepsi 2-liter product. As you can see, there are so many really good snack deals. You could buy two, get two free for Cheetos and buy two, get two free for Fritos. Now, for those of you who love Gain, don't forget to clip these digital coupons and you can save $5 when you spend $30 on any Gain fabric care products regularly priced from $2 to $19.95. And this is another really good bundle deal. You can save $3 when you spend $15 on any brand shown here. And that's Persil, Snuggle, Dow, All, Purex, or Soft Scrub. And don't forget to clip those digital coupons. If you're low on batteries, there's a Save $1 digital coupon for the Energizer Max batteries. And then you can instantly save $3 when you buy 3 Energizer Max batteries, AA or AAA 4-pack. So it's back, and this is one of my favorite deals that Dollar General runs. It's the 7 days of savings. So it's deals you can't miss at Dollar General March 15th through the 21st. And there's a deal every single day. So on day 1, on Sunday, March 15th, it's a $4.45 sale. And it's on Clorox, and it says includes lavender jasmine scent. On day 2, it's a buy one, get one 50% off on True Living scented candles, and that's on Monday, March 16th. On Tuesday, March 17th, the promotion is buy one, get one free, and that's on True Living Fresh Start or Bella Kitchen and Pantry Organization plastics. On Wednesday, March 18th, you can instantly save $10, and that will be on the Mr. Clean Spin Mop or Clean All Power Scrubber. On Thursday, I'm definitely checking this one out. This is on March 19th, and it's 50% off on Comfort Bay bath, hand towels, and washcloths. And I definitely will be stocking up on that day. On Friday, March 20th, it's a buy one, get one free, and it's on Xtra laundry detergent. So if that is your favorite brand, it will be time for you to stock up. And on Saturday, our favorite day as Dollar General shoppers, is going to be a $7.50 sale on the Liquid Plumber Pro Strength Clog Destroyer and Liquid Drain Cleaner. So in addition to your 5 off of 25, you may want to toss that in the basket if you're in need of that. So that's it. There are so many great deals going on in Dollar General this week, but I just wanted to highlight the 7 days of saving, the deals that you can't miss. It's going to be a deal going on every single day. And as you can see, there are so many more deals on your favorite snacks, household cleaners, spring items, items for your Easter basket, items for your garden, items for your pet care. So don't forget to head over to Dollar General. I hope y'all have a fun time shopping, and I will of course talk to you in the next video. Happy shopping, everyone. And if you like the video, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up, subscribe, turn on your notification bell so that you don't miss any of my videos. Bye for now.